back to my channel. Super excited to show you guys what we have today. We have the NUTR machine. I'm going to be unboxing this. The machine makes nut-based milk. Today we're going to be solely focusing on doing oat milk. So we are just going to keep it simple and make it with oats today. It's going to be oats and milk, nothing else, but there are so many recipes on their Instagram. I have so many inspirations posts saved from their Instagram, so check out their Instagram. It's just NUTR machine. I will go ahead and link them down below. And if you're not already following me, go ahead and give me a follow as well. I'm going to be posting a lot more about this machine, all the different type of recipes I'm going to be making on it, especially reels on Instagram. So I will go ahead and link my Instagram down below as well. So the NUTR machine makes nut milk, plant-based milk. Their logo on their box says to build a sustainable world, one glass of nut milk at a time. So we are just going to go ahead and dive right in. This is how it looks like. It comes in this beautiful box. So we are just going to go ahead and open this up here. And voila! Gorgeous! Another thing is every order they go ahead and plant a tree in our honor. So that is super amazing. Here is all of their details down below. Alright, so let's dive on in. How cute and precious is this sticker, you guys? That is so cute. Absolutely love this, that it comes with a bunch of different recipes, especially this London fog latte. How exciting. Love that. And we are going to go ahead and grab everything out and take a look at everything. So we are going to go ahead and jump on in and take out stuff from the box. So the first thing you're going to see here are two different types of measuring spoons that are included and a cleaning brush. The next item that is included is the strainer, and then a cover just for the top, and then lastly is the NUTR machine itself. I love the stylish look. It's beautiful. It is compact for the kitchen. It also does come with this little instruction on how to go ahead and make it, but we are just going to go ahead and dive right in and see what we can make. Alright, so I got my oats set up here. The glass we're going to go ahead and pour the milk in. And we're just going to keep it very basic just to test out the machine. Alright, so we have the machine plugged in, ready to go. We have the oats, the water, and the cup that we are going to go ahead and pour into. So I am going to go ahead and scoop my oats. And go ahead and drop it in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab the water and fill it up to the line where it says max. Gonna go ahead and put on the lid, make sure I twist it all the way over. Press the no heat. So this process should be about 2 minutes. It goes on and off, and you'll hear it start up again. We'll go ahead and get this set up while I wait. Alright, so when the machine turns off, it just makes a few beeping noise and it'll be done. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it in and try it out for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and unlock it here. And there's the milk. Oh my goodness, how exciting. I'm going to go ahead and pour it here, you guys. I'll unplug it so I have more. But let's go ahead and pour. Do the strainer. Keep pouring. Alright, I think we're gonna have to take this out. Shake it a bit. I think I've seen somewhere you can use a spoon too. I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it here. Let's try a spoon. I just went ahead and grabbed the Elico Baby spoon, closest thing near to me. I'm gonna go ahead and push whatever I can through. So the way I'm doing it is I'm just twirling it in circles, and that is helping strain this. I'll show you guys a little bit better view. And there is the oat milk. There's nothing in there other than water and oats. I know you can put salt in there, vanilla extract, other things like prunes to make it a little bit sweeter, but I just wanted to try it plain. Also, a little side note, I didn't notice there's handles on this, so you can just go ahead and pull the handles out so that's easier to strain. Alright, so the results are in. This is how it looks like. I am going to go ahead and give it a taste. I'm super excited. So, this is the final product. I brought you guys over to the natural light so you guys can kind of see how it looks like. That is actually really good. So this is how it looks like. It strained it pretty well. I cannot wait to post more videos with this, different recipes. Be sure to go ahead and check me out on Instagram. I will link my Instagram down in the description, and I'm also gonna link it across the screen here. Look at how beautiful that looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator. That is all for today's video. I am so excited to do more recipes. Be sure to be following me on Instagram along with NUTR Machine. Comment down below what types of recipes you would like to see, and thank you guys so much for watching.